These robes should be a sign of honesty and integrity. It's a
I'm Judge Mike
responsibility
George.
I've taken seriously.
I worked my way through law school in Central
on the bench.
Out-of-state special interests are running false attack ads. But the Supreme Court appointed me to run the largest court system in our state. I took over a broken...
In this city, in this state, you either run as a Republican or a Democrat. So people say, well, that Democrats, you're a liberal, a Republican, you're a conservative, because that's sort of the ethos of the two parties. And some people will vote just because you're a Democrat. Some people will vote because you're a Republican.
It's probably okay in a First Amendment sense. I don't think it's okay in the sense of this is the type of thing that we should be looking for in judges.
You have to tell the citizens something, and you can go house to house and speak to persons individually, but it's more effective politically if you talk to a group, trial lawyers, plaintiffs' lawyers, defense lawyers, unions, different groups like that, and tell them why you should be their candidate. So that's totally proper.
Today I think that things have become more polarized, and I think that it's very rare when you have groups on opposing sides of an issue endorsing the same person.
I couldn't say that it got worse, but there have been candidates over the years who violate the rules for running for these offices, and they make statements that they shouldn't make. Like I support the Trial Lawyers Association.
There are things that candidates are doing to signal by seeking certain endorsements or how they answer questions that this is their point of view, this is their personal point of view, and I can't say that's wrong or improper in terms of how it's done, but I certainly think it's unwise, and it does not help the public perception that the courts are impartial.
You'll do your background, and given the electronics that we have nowadays, you can sort of get a pretty accurate idea of how a judge is going to react to your case.
If I had a feeling based upon the way that judge campaigned for office that judge was predisposed in a certain direction, then I would take that into account in how I prepared my argument.
That's good lawyering, is that when they have a case, they have an issue, they look at the judge's background and attempt to see how we will best present it to that judge to win the case. That's basically, it's about winning, so that's what lawyers do.